Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Now I wanted to show you about my routing dynamic BGP with Cisco and Mikrotik. So this is the topology from Cisco. I want to show you about that. So this is in the left the topology for Cisco. This is router Cisco. Connect to laptop with the console cable and connect to switch with the strike cable and connect to router for cross cable, and they use router to laptop connect with strike and router to switch connect to strike too. But I think there is something wrong because switch to laptop there is no cable. I'm sorry, I'm going to remove it first. Okay, this is the right topology you can use, and this is the topology from hardware I want to show you. Okay, this is Mikrotik, router Mikrotik. The blue cable connect to router Cisco, and this is you can look the topology from hardware. I wanted to show you about this, and yeah, like this the topology. And for Mikrotik, it is Ether port Ether 3 connect to laptop, and this is configuration in the first laptop for configuration Cisco. This is for the first, you can enable configure terminal for enter the config, and interface gigabyte 0/0 because from router to router this is make 0/0 because I wanted to config router to router first. Okay, this is you can look, enter, and in here I wanted to give IP address for like address from port router to router. I give this is .2 because this laptop or this port .2 because the one in the router Mikrotik. So I used to 252 because this is slice 30. Now shutdown for turn on the port exit, and in here I wanted to turn on the switch and make for IP. Interface gigabyte 0/1. This is for connect switch to router, and I wanted to give address. This is 20.1 because forbidden to same with router to router. In here I use 240 because slice 40, because slice 28. Now shutdown for turn on, and I want to make IP DHCP pool local. The network from interface gigabyte 0/0 and interface G0/1. This is from 0/0.0 because if network we must use .0, and default gateway is 20.0. This is IP. This is IP DHCP local for switch, and we can enter the IP DHCP excluded address, and enter the IP from interface G0/1 and router BGP because I wanted to make routing dynamic BGP. This is make to routing name BGP routing. In here I make BGP 1102, and the neighbor is IP from second laptop and remote as. This is router BGP. This is for remote other laptop or beside the laptop, and don't forget to give the network and give mask. Okay, enter the network for switch 2, don't forget mask. Okay, redistribute connect. Okay, this is enough for the putty, so come on, go to MikroTik. Okay, let's go. So in here we can enter from MAC address if cannot to be IP, but I wanted to look first the port has connect or have it. You can choose the MAC address and connect. This is, we can remove configuration, and I wanted to show click terminal. I'm sorry for this reconnecting. Okay, new terminal, and we can enter the routing BGP net and enter the network. The network this for router to router. Don't forget to slice. And one again for switch. This is for switch. Switch router MikroTik is 10, but the slash is still same. Routing BGP peer and add remote address for the other laptop, for the first laptop, and don't forget to remote as 1102. So this is for look the config, but yeah, like that. So after this I wanted to routing BGP peer 2 and print. This is okay, the default remote address does have routing BGP again, and instance set null because the number default is 0 as 11.1 because this laptop 11.1 the routing BGP. If you want to exit from this, you can type dot second dot okay, like that, and okay, IP root print I want to look the IP. So yeah, I wanted to show you about ping from beside laptop. Okay, Naruto host. So why Naruto host? Because the IP address haven't setting. I want to setting first in IP, so addresses new, so we can choose the ether one and give the IP. Same with router to router, but this is that one, and don't forget to give the slice. I'm sorry, this is the slice is 30, not 24. And again for switch, for give IP switch 10 1 and slice 28. I'm sorry for the port, this is ether 2, and this is 30, the slice 30. Okay guys, I'm sorry for my mistake. Okay, you can back the terminal and try the ping. Okay, I wanted to try for ping and okay guys, this is connect, and I wanted to try in ping putih. Okay, this is has connect to for second laptop, and okay, that's enough for my task, and see you next time. Bye bye, thank you for watching.